Hello Scott, this is Alexander from Sky Tech. We received your case saying that our pump duct to you cannot work normally. So here I just show you a demo working video of the same model. This one DC50E-1280A. This model is a speed adjustable one. It can be power regulated through rotating this knob, right? So as we know that this pump is rated wattage is 12 watts and its power consumption is around maybe 40 watts at 12 watts. Yeah. In fact, this pump will ship to you has been tested by myself to through our DC power supply. In fact, before our shipment. In fact, this model are always required to be tested before out of our factory. Yeah. Before our shipment, we make our second test. So I don't know why the issue in your application has occurred, but we want to know some information from you. In your video, you haven't shown us your power supply to power this pump. Yeah. So as we know, in a system, if we need to make this pump work, we need to power this pump with a matching DC power supply. This power supply can be 12 volts car battery or some other household battery or AC/DC voltage converter or even solar panel, just to make sure that the specification can be matching. If take for one example, if we use a power adapter to power this pump, its output capacity should be 12 volts and the current capacity should be over 4.5 amps at 12 watts, because this pump is working current is around 3.5 amps. If we just power this pump with lower adapter, then this adapter may be not powerful enough to give it enough power. Yeah. Of course, currently I don't know what kind of power supply do you use to power this pump. Yeah. I just show you a real working of this model in my current test. Okay, so we know this is the DC head connector, and now I will connect this pump with a AC/DC power adapter. Yeah, this is a regulated power adapter. So first of all, I open this machine. Now currently the voltage has been set as 12 watts. Well, first of all I just throw this pump into water, the same as what you have done in your video, and then I connect this pump's DC head to a matching DC head, just as this one. Yeah. Okay, because I operated by myself, so it's not so convenient. Now we can see that this pump has started work, right? And it's real power. It should be like this. Yeah, it should be like this. It's a powerful one, and my smartphone has been wet because of this. But also, I show you the speed adjustable function So this is a potentiometer. In fact, it is a variable resistor. So we as users, we can rotate this knob to smoothly and gradually slow down this pump, slow down its power. Yeah. Okay, if we rotate it to the end, to the other end, we can see that now pump stops work. And now the current becomes nearly zero. It's 0.01 amps. So if we rotate this potentiometer back, gradually increase the power, and then we can see that the pump also become more and more powerful. Yeah. Now we have rotated this knob to the other end, and now pump has been recovered to its almost max power status. And now we can check its power, its performance. Right? If normally work, this pump should be like this, as shown in my hands. So I just have two issues that I want to confirm with you or ask you to retest. First, please check your power supply. Yeah. In fact, this pump, even we provide an overvoltage power supply to this pump, it's not so easily broken or damaged because it has a relatively strong anti-overvoltage protection function. So my personal advice is that you can try to change another 12 volts DC power supply to power this pump, yeah, to check what's the result there. That also, please note that if we sometimes rotate it to the zero power position, then pump may cannot work so normally. So of course, this pump its working voltage range can be wide, can be up to 14 volts, then lower to 5 watts. It's just a startup and maybe not working. So you can have a check. Of course, here we note that if after your retest, maybe with another power supply, DC power supply 12 volts, if this pump in your hands can still not normally work, it's okay for us to undertake the full responsibility, no problem. So best regards, but before that we want to know what has happened, and looking forward to your updated information. Thank you, and best regards.